Today I'm going to show you guys how to recharge your AC using one of these gauges and a can. Now this 2004 Honda Accord, it takes the R134A. Make sure you check your vehicle first. That some cars it takes a different kind, but most of the time it takes the R134A. So go ahead and turn the car on and turn the AC on. Then go ahead and pop the hood open. Then you're gonna locate the low side port. On this Honda Accord, the low side port is gonna be right here. It's usually the thicker line. That's the low side. The skinnier one is the high side. Remove the cap. Get your gauge, your hose. This is a quick release. All you do is you pull it back. Then you attach it to the low side port. Then you look at your gauge. If your gauge is on low, that means you do need to fill it up. So what you do is you shake it up, shake up the can, and then you press this nozzle. Press it, and then shake it, and keep doing it until it says filled. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your AC compressor is working. If it's not working, this is not going to work. Make sure that your AC is turned on and your clutch is spinning. Go ahead and keep filling it up. Now if it goes all the way to the red when you hook up your gauge, that means you have a different problem. But you want to keep pumping it until it stops right in the middle of the green area that says filled. That's where you want it. Then go inside and check the car, make sure that the AC is still working. If it did get better, then that means that's all you needed. But if you have to keep refilling your AC within a few days or a week, that means you have a leak somewhere that you need to fix. But if this video helped you, give me a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, guys. And again, thank you for watching.